Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Me, Phil, and Ron are up here on Roberts Lake in Faribault, Minnesota, and AOMCI meet. We're running some more old motors and swapping, trading, doing the things that you do at the Outboard Club meets. Today is September 12th, 2015. This one here is a original 1955 Johnson 5.5 that Phil got about a week and a half ago. And we went through and gave it a good tune-up last week, and we're out giving it a try. So we'll give you a little show on this one. There's 3 of us in the boat, so get a good color in.
We have a little HD right there. That's my 1947 HD that I made a video on before. And reverse. And back into forward.
Turned out nice. It's a very nice, clean original and runs perfect. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.